At this point, look at the jumps, look at everyone jumping around, and Heavy's been coming here from the side of Akai. He's trying to push Team ONIC away, but it's just Kyrie on a normal day. He takes that turtle away, and now we will see a lot of bodies falling down from the side of Team BTR. ONIC CW, Kyrie goes in, and now we can see what the flicker ultimate coming from the Khalid. You have to ult flicker creep. Let's see Narachi what's gonna happen. Kapak is here. Kibo is trying to get inside. He's trying to go with Team ONIC. The base is just wide open. You are now, ladies and gentlemen, watching a master at work. Kyrie goes in with the flicker, ultimate blazing duet, a double kill, a massacre is happening here at